In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the slide theme in Google Slides, a tutorial designed especially for teachers. Whether you're looking to create an engaging presentation for your class or want to add a touch of professionalism with just a few clicks, this guide will walk you step by step through the process. To get started, you'll first need to go to Google Slides. Make sure your web browser is open and type in the URL for Google Slides, or simply search for it through your favorite search engine. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. This will take you to the Google Slides homepage, where you can see all your existing presentations and create new ones. Once on the homepage, you'll want to create a new presentation. Locate and click on the option that says blank presentation. This will open up a fresh slide deck ready for you to work your magic. Now comes the exciting part, selecting a theme. At the top of your screen you should see a menu bar with several options. Look for the one that says theme and give it a click. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen, presenting a variety of themes for you to choose from. Google Slides provides a range of visually appealing and colourful themes that can match the tone and purpose of your presentation. Take your time to scroll through the theme options. Don't rush, because choosing the right theme can greatly enhance the visual impact of your slides. When you've found one that strikes the right chord with your presentation needs, just click on it to apply it to your slides. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to use the slide theme in Google Slides. This simple yet effective feature can transform an ordinary presentation into something extraordinary, making it ideal for grabbing and maintaining your students' attention. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips. Remember to maintain consistency throughout your slides by sticking to one theme per presentation. This helps keep your slides cohesive and easy on the eyes. Don't be afraid to experiment with different themes until you find the one that perfectly fits your style and the message you wish to convey. And finally, keep exploring the other customization options in Google Slides to add your personal touch. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this tutorial was helpful and has made you more confident in using Google Slides for your teaching presentations. Happy presenting!